Hey traders, in this video we're going to introduce the Smart AI indicator, which we developed in partnership with OpenAI. This is the first crypto trading indicator of its kind using OpenAI's computational power and trained on trading data from professional traders and market makers from TradingView databases. This AI processes and analyzes multiple market factors in real time, such as whale on-chain activity, order book imbalances, technical analysis, social sentiment, macro signals, and more, helping you save countless hours of research and conduct professional grade market analysis on your own. So with that, let's get started. As many of you know, 2 years ago, we officially partnered with OpenAI to develop the first AI-powered indicator for market analysis. And today, we're opening a 30-day early access for our YouTube community, and anyone can try out our new indicator in practice. After over 2 years of development and testing, it has shown a level of accuracy we're so confident in, remaining consistent across a variety of market conditions. This indicator was designed to help traders make smarter data-driven decisions by combining the analytical capabilities of OpenAI with TradingView's powerful charting features. It's like having your own personal assistant who knows the market better than any human ever could. They spot trends, predict opportunities, and give you the edge to stay ahead in the market. And now we'll show you how to set up the indicator and walk through a few practical examples for market analysis. Now let's begin by setting up the indicator. Step 1, launch the TradingView app on your computer and log into your account or create one. And don't worry, you don't need any subscription. The AI indicator is available to everyone during the early access period. Step 2, after completing the installation, switch to developer mode via the command line on your computer to enable the AI indicator. The process is super straightforward. To do this, press Win+R, type command, and press enter. Alternatively, you can click the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and search for command prompt. For your convenience, we've also included a step-by-step guide in the description of this video. Then go to the video description below this video, click the link to our official repository, copy the command line we've provided there, and paste it into the command line. Then press enter. The update process will start immediately, and it may take a few minutes. After the update, you'll see a message in the command prompt indicating that the update was successful. Step 3, restart TradingView to apply the changes. All right, great. As you can see, the interface is slightly changed. We've entered developer mode, which gives us access to experimental indicators that aren't normally available to regular users. Now we're ready to start doing some research using these tools. And now I'll show you how to do it using a few coins as example. First, we're gonna open the SUI chart using a 3-month range as an example. As you can see, our machine learning algorithms analyze 47 distinct data points in real time, creating these highlighted zones on the chart that indicate potential price movements, each with its own probability estimate. Let's take a closer look at this chart. The green zone represents the most likely price area. It shows the probability that, according to the AI, the price of SUI will move into this range. The yellow zone suggests a moderate probability that SUI could potentially form a strong new high. The orange zone indicates a low probability that the price will reach that range. According to the indicator's analysis, SUI is currently in an accumulation phase, with AI-identified whales actively building positions, suggesting a high probability of reaching a new all-time high in the near future. Next example, let's open the SOL chart, also using a 3-month range. Here, the picture is different. Solana is currently trading within a sideways channel, so according to the indicator, the green zone suggests a continuation of this range-bound movement. Yellow zone reflects a moderate probability of consolidating near the previous all-time high, and the orange zone indicates a very low probability of breaking out into a new high. Current structure suggests a distribution phase. Larger holders appear to be capping advances. Since the risk-reward setup looks weak, the safer move is to either consider alternative assets or wait until demand clearly re-enters the market before taking new positions. So as you can see from these examples, anyone can now conduct professional-grade research using this indicator, weigh risks and potential returns, and make informed decisions. As Warren Buffett wisely said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So feel free to do your own research using our AI indicator, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.